So, Jujube, the woodpecker, is still in rehabilitation.
I'm towing.
She's having
Towing.
some issues with her eye. One of her eyes is bothering her a bit. But she's still flying around.
Acting normal. But she just jumped inside
There's
of
lots
water.
of flickers all over our property, but she doesn't seem to want to associate with any of them. Which is probably,
Bad.
Oh.
Juju.
She can fly good. But she definitely likes people.
And like rubbing her eye and stuff.
Jujube, go do some flying. You know?
Yeah. I don't think she wants to. I think she's having enough fun on the ground. Wanna do my towing? No? It's like, be you. Towing, very shiny. You can peck it. You can peck it. Because they look at YouTube. And she just hopped in her water. And she started going crazy. Wanna hop on my foot? Apparently so. Now she's hopping.